What's up, guys? As you see before the intro, I show a little clip of the oven jerk wings what me do, and may I tell you, it is so good, guys. It cold here. It snowed 2 days ago, and I can't go outside go grill no chicken. But I love the grilled chicken. I like when it do pan the grill outside because it do give it a little smoky taste. But when I tell you, say, doing it in the oven, it turn up. It's so good. I said I have to do a video. Because I do it the other day and it was so good. So I decided I'm going to do it again and do a video. So guys, stay tuned for that one here because I want to drop it in the comment section if you ever try that recipe here, if you ever do it that way here, and let me know. And guys, please, may I ask give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoy it, no afraid for thumbs up the video. I appreciate every likes you want to put on the video. Okay, so like, comment, and share it if you don't care. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. I got change off and get into the kitchen. Guys, we press record. I am in the kitchen now. I press record, but it wasn't recording when I was preparing the season and washing the meat. So sorry about that. Alright, so I clean up the chicken. I don't take off all of the fat off of it. This is Maggi all purpose. This is some jerk season when my auntie send from down a yard for me. This is Walker's with jerk season. And a jerk where I jerk the chicken. Me not take off all of the fat again, guys, because I want some fat for the pan it. It are going at the oven. This a red pepper. You want it to be a little spicy because a jerk chicken, you want to give it the, Caribbean taste there. So this is Maggi also chicken season, which is my main season that I use to cook. And time I cook is Maggi, really. I don't really need any other season but put natural season. So these are the herbs, natural season, which is scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, lots of it. I'm sorry say I never and pimento. I'm sorry say I never get for shown all of the seasoning. So I'm gonna just add a little salt to this. I have to do voiceover, guys, because I never realized that the TV was on in the background and it messed up my video. So I just have to voice over and explain what I did in this. So this is it. This is the seasonings that I'm going to use. So I blended about 9 onion and garlics, lots of garlics. I love a lot of garlics. So just rubbing it up now. And I am going to actually fry some of these wings and barbie fry some of them and fry some. So, but most of all is just, I'm dealing with the jerk chicken right now. So I'm going to add a little bit of browning on it to just kind of give it a little color. So this is the batch that I'm going to jerk. The rest I didn't put any browning on it. I just put on the one that I'm going to jerk. So when you add a little browning to it, it easily catch the color faster. But as long as the chicken is cooked, then you're good. Some people actually put the chicken in a pan to let it half cook, which is okay, and then put it back on the grill. Yeah, it kind of fresh, so I'm adding a little more salt. So this is what I'm going to do. I put file paper on my grill in the oven first, and then what I'm going to do is just add the chicken on the file paper. But before, I use the knife and bore the file paper so that all of the water can run through it. So when you do that now, the heat come right through the file paper and steam the chicken. So I'm just making sure that some space is here. I don't want them to pack on each other. I'm just putting them side by side because you don't want some to cook and some don't cook. So I'm definitely trying to just put them side by side and not putting them on each other. So I'm moving very slow. Why is that? Guys, if you try this recipe, don't hesitate to tell me. Put it in the description. If you ever do it before, still put it in the description, because I want to know if you ever do it like this, or how do you do it in the oven. And as I said before, guys, it's cold, and I love jerk chicken because to me it's more healthy. It is, because you don't have to cook it up with oil and all of that, and it suck out some of the grease that is underneath the skin. And you know it's chicken wings, so you can't really take off the skin whether you fry it or not. When you to take off the skin off a chicken wing, that just gonna break it up. It's not like a leg or a thigh, so it is so much better to cook it with the skin. So I'm just gonna like let it get steam and kind of cook before doing all that. Okay, so while I'm doing this, guys, I put some water in the oven. I use a big tray and put some water in the oven so it get hot, and it's gonna drip in here. So when the chicken is jerking, the water is gonna drip in here. So I could still use that as a sauce and put it back on the chicken as well. So now the water is hot in the oven. So I am just going to put the chicken in. That water is well hot, guys. So it's ready to rock. So there you go. I'm putting this in the oven and it's on 400 degree. So I'm going to do the next tray and I'm going to put them both in here. So there you go. Both trays are in, and I'm just going to leave it there. And now I'm going to check it back. And you see, after 1 hour, that's it, 1 hour, 400 degree. So some people might say, why chicken need 1 hour to cook? Because it's in the oven and it'll cook. Alright, so what I do is just transfer them to the grill just like that. Take them from the file paper so them can actually come a little drier, not too moist. So then I give it another 15 minutes in the oven to suck up some of that juice, not make it too juicy like your stew chicken. You know what I mean? If you make it too juicy, it'll go taste like your stew chicken. So you want to give it that jerk taste. So you just transfer it to the grill and put it back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. See it there, guys? Look how it come out pretty. Me say, when you taste that chicken, yeah, you don't want to stop eat it. It mad. It's soft. It not. Everybody who eat the chicken, yeah, give me compliment. Them say, yo, the chicken bad. I love it. Anyways, it's a star I cook up still. So see it there, guys. Festival, chicken, fish, escovitch, fish. I cook all brown stew. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, guys, and share the video if you care. Bye.